In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to upload and share files on Google Drive. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Drive app. Now navigate to the home page, then click on this plus option. First up, you can create a folder. So click on this option, create folder, then give it a name. Now what you have to do is navigate to that folder, search for it. Once you're in the folder, now you can upload the files. So click on the plus option and select the option upload file. You're gonna get two options, browse or photos and videos. Select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select photos and videos. Now go ahead and select the files that you wanna upload. Then click on upload. Once it has been uploaded, now how to share it? For that, what you wanna do is click on three dots given at the top right. Now select the option share. Now here type in the email address of the person to whom you wanna share this folder. Then click on this drop down for editor. Now from here you can choose whether you want to set the person to viewer, commenter or editor. Once you set it, now here type in the message and you can send it. So this way you can easily upload and share files on Google Drive. By following the same steps, you can easily upload other files as well and share it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.